With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question here. The question is, some methods used for the laboratory preparation of salts are. Here we are given with the some methods, that is metal plus acid, carbonate plus acid, precipitation, direct combination or titration. Now based on these methods we have to see that these salts, how these salts have been prepared, okay, and involvement of which method is there in the preparation of these salts, okay. So here first salt is ammonium sulfate. Okay, first is ammonium sulfate. Okay, ammonium sulfate is formed by the titration in the laboratory. Okay, ammonium sulfate is formed by the titration in the laboratory. So it involves the titration of NH3, that is ammonia, plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So here it will be this, and we will have the formation of ammonium sulfate. Okay. So here what we follow is titration. So here titration is E. So here we can write it as E. Now second is calcium carbonate. Second salt is calcium carbonate. Okay. Calcium carbonate is formed from the calcium hydroxide. Okay. It is formed from the calcium hydroxide. What happens is, CO2 gas is passed over the calcium hydroxide and it leads to the formation of the precipitates of CaCO3, that is our calcium carbonate, plus water. Okay, so this reaction is precipitation. So here we have C. Okay, so third is our iron 3 chloride. Okay, third is our iron 3 chloride. Iron 3 chloride. Okay, that means we have to form FeCl3. So in the laboratories is formed by the direct reaction of iron with the chlorine gas and it leads to the formation of FeCl3. So if we balance it, here it will be 2, here it will be 3, and here it will be 2. Okay, so it is the direct combination. So here in the options, in the method, this is D. So here we can write D. Now fourth is lead nitrate. Fourth is lead nitrate. So here we will write lead nitrate. That means we have to form PbNO3 twice, right? So it will be formed from the lead carbonate. It will be formed from the lead carbonate plus acid, that is nitric acid. So here it will react and it will lead to the formation of lead nitrate. Okay, and we will have the H2O plus CO2 also. But here we are using carbonate plus acid. So it means lead nitrate is formed from the carbonate plus acid. So here we will write B. Now last is zinc sulfate. Okay, zinc sulfate. Okay, so zinc sulfate is formed in the laboratory by the reaction of zinc granules with the H2SO4. Okay, so it leads to the formation of ZnSO4, zinc sulfate, and the hydrogen gas is liberated. So here we have metal plus acid, right? So this is the reaction of metal plus acid in the laboratory. So here we can say that metal plus acid is our A. So now we have completed the table with their methods of preparation for the salts. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.